It is quite unfortunate to learn that people are out there looking for the fastest way to take advantage of our search for answers, or better still, our desperations to find answers to our situations in life. And it is so painful that I have to come out to do this video. I'm just going to express myself on how I feel about the situation and how you can avoid such kinds of people. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then let's get right into this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Evelyn Ambrose, recording from Abuja in Nigeria. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, because here we talk about how to make money online and we also share tips that could help us in our everyday lives. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing by clicking on subscribe and also turning on the bell icon by clicking on all, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It definitely means a lot to me. Hello, 14,000 and more people watching me. I am super honored to have you all on my channel and I really appreciate it. And welcome to the month of December. As you can see, I have my Christmas tree all set up. I hope you have set up your own Christmas tree, because I am so happy. I am so happy. So guys, happy new month and happy Christmas season. I hope you enjoy your Christmas celebration. So as we experience the birth of Christ this Christmas season, I pray that we also experience the birth of a new beginning in our lives. Positive things, good things, breakthrough all around us, and God's blessings in our life. So guys, do have a lovely Christmas celebrations and a wonderful, wonderful Happy New Year. So about today's topic, I know that we all have problems we are trying to find solutions to. Everyone has problems. Don't be deceived. Nobody has a perfect life. Even myself talking to you, I still go through some things. And for those of you on my channel and so many other channels that do the same thing as I am, it is obvious that you are on our channel to find solutions to your problem, which I believe that by God's grace, you find some solutions that could help you. But at the same time, a lot of you are being too desperate for these situations, and that's how you fall into the wrong hands. So one fateful day, I got a call from a viewer, a subscriber on my channel, and he was like, I replied to one of his comments. He was so touched. He felt like God has sent this lady to my life to help me, and I just need to give her a call. That was when I realized that something is actually happening on my channel and I don't have an idea. I really appreciate a lot of you who give me feedbacks on what's happening on my channel, and that's why I'm making videos like this. So let me read out the comments for you, and you tell me if you've received this type of comment to your reply on my comment section. So apparently this person is replying to your comment as me, Evelyn Ambrose, and this is what the comment says. Beloved, I don't know you in person, but God knows you. God ministered to me in a revelation when I was on your profile to see things around you. I saw blessings, but spiritual attacks holding upon them in prayers. I saw a woman in the realm of the spirit monitoring and plotting delay in your life with an evil mirror and with a motive to destroy. But as I speak to you now, her time is up. Render hand of favor with anything you can afford or give to this motherless foundation, in brackets, God's Time Motherless Foundation, in Kebbi State, Nigeria, before 2 days with faith. As I raise my hands towards heaven and pray for you, they shall serve as points of contact wherever you are. You will receive double portion of grace to excel and total restoration of breakthrough in your life and in the life of your family. Ask for their account details and help them. Call the MD in charge of the orphanage to get their details on WhatsApp, or call him. Then the person now puts the phone number. Tell him I sent you. For it is not by might nor by in power, but of the Spirit, saith the Lord. Zechariah 4 verse 6. You shall testify to the glory of God in your life. God bless you. So after telling me of this comment, I was in shock, that because I know I don't give revelations on this channel. And he was like, no, it's you. Are you not Evelyn Ambrose? And I said, yes, I am Evelyn Ambrose. And he said, So on WhatsApp, he quickly sent me a screenshot of the reply. And I said, oh my God. Now them, they have come. As soon as I got this message on WhatsApp, I quickly corrected the fact that I have no idea on this comment and I don't know who is doing this. So I quickly put up the notification on my community tab. I'm going to show you how to get access to my community tab. And to my greatest surprise, a lot of you commented saying that you got replies from this same person. I felt very sad. I was pained because a lot of people, I even got a comment. A lady said she had paid twice into their account, and I'm like, no, this has to stop. Now the unfortunate part is this same individual has replied to me. I just wanted to try it out. So I went to another Christian channel to leave a comment, and the person replied me, and I'm like, I don't get it. Are you everywhere on YouTube, or are you following a particular set of people who drop comments on people's channel? And I put up that post. Now, the first thing you need to know is I don't give revelations on this channel. I don't charge to talk to you on this channel. My number is always open to anyone and everyone. If I can help, I will help. If not, I will direct you to someone that can help. The next thing you need to know is when you see a comment like this, it is suspicious. Now, what I even noticed is that my name is Evelyn Ambrose - your guide. But this person opened a new YouTube channel with just 1 or 2 subscribers, and the name is just Evelyn Ambrose. But a lot of you might not know, and that's why I'm bringing it to your notice now. So please always check the name. Make sure it tallies with the name of the creator. That is, check the capital letters, check the small letters, make sure everything is right. And even if everything is right, just click on that picture, the person's profile picture that sent you a message. Click on it to show you the person's channel. You know who you are subscribed to, you know how many subscribers the person have. So when you go and check the person's profile and see 1 or 2, you should know that this person is fake. Person is trying to extort your money, and because he knows that you're desperate for this type of information, you might fall. Just few people are sharp enough to call the person who has the video. Please, don't be in a desperate situation like you want to find out. If they tell you that your sister is after you, you go and start getting angry with your sister. No, that's not the right way to follow this type of things. You need to call and hear from the person. Hear from the person who you are watching the video. Not just seeing a random phone number and believing that the person that created the video gave you the number to call. No, these people are scammers. I can imagine how much they have collected from innocent people. Please, if you have experienced this, let me know in the comment section. We need to get this video out. We need people to know that these people are out there, and I cannot allow somebody take your hard-earned money for no just reason. Then my other concern is YouTube has given us this platform to help one another, share information, sell our product, do a lot of things. You understand? But I find out that because you have solution to somebody's problem, you will now be calling outrageous money to help them. I might not be charging. No. Even if you are charging, let it be reasonable. These people are coming to you with desperate situations, and you know that a lot of them don't have money. They are looking for help. They are looking for ways to break through. They're looking for breakthroughs in their life, and you start calling big money. Where do you want them to get this money from? Do you want them to go and steal? That's why they are following you. That's why they subscribe to your channel. Stop treating your subscribers like this. It's not fair. I've gotten a lot of complaints. I'm not perfect. Please, I am not perfect. But it is only painful that we have a tribe. We have people who watch our videos, who are looking for help and advice, and you charge them. You charge them too much money. A lot of people might be able to afford it, but think of the people that cannot afford it. To me, I even feel that that's where your blessings will come from. Let's help ourselves. Everything in this life is not about money. Let's help ourselves. Sorry guys, I'm just here to rant, but please, if you have any observations or if you enjoyed this video, just like the video and drop your comments for me. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't mind me, I'm not in a good mood right now because of what I'm seeing on YouTube, but I'm happy. I'm a very happy person, you people know. So guys, that's all I want to say today. And yeah, until next time, this is Evelyn Ambrose saying bye.